How to remove Netflix continue watching on your TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can remove Netflix continue watching from your TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove Netflix continue watching from your TV, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and then basically open the Netflix application. Once you launch a Netflix app, let's say you are watching from some of your profiles over here. Once you go ahead and open up a specific profile, and you'll be able to notice that there are some of the continue watching section that you can find here. Once you go ahead and basically scroll down over here, you should be able to see the continue watching section. So let me go ahead and do that. So right here you can see. So what if I want to remove one of these shows from my continue watching? Well, it's very simple. Go ahead and then open up that show first of all. Once you open up that show, here you can see three options, right? One is resume, one is play from beginning, and more episodes. But do not worry, because if you want to remove this from your continue watching, all you have to do is just keep on scrolling to the bottom. When you keep on scrolling to the bottom, you'll find this option called remove from continue watching, and all you have to do is select that option. And once you've done, you can see you don't have to confirm anything. The show will get automatically removed from your continue watching. Next time you come back, the show will no longer be located there, and you can repeat the process for other shows that you might want to remove. This way you'll be able to remove Netflix continue watching on TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.